morning traders, welcome to the weekly Elliott Wave Street update. It's a pleasure to share with you some of our wave counts for this week. Let's start with the euro. The euro started to climb last Friday really fast, doing a wave 3. The wave 3 is the strongest wave during the Elliott wave cycle. On the hourly chart on the euro, it seems that we are seeing the price building the first impulse, where this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So here we go. The plan is to have a higher high in order to take out the stop losses of those sellers. So clean up the liquidity at this area, create a wave 5, and once we have the 5-wave sequence, we are going to have a 3-wave sequence down with an invalidation point at this low, and after the 3-wave sequence, I'm going long on the euro. So on the 4-hour chart, we can expect this wave 2 in order to have a discount after the 5-wave sequence to go long and follow the move up. That's why it's so important to sign up for the membership, so you can get the daily updates and the step-by-step trading plan during the whole week. The bond market has been doing exactly the same as the euro, because, let me explain the relation, because the yield, when the bond is going up, the yield is going down. When the yield is going down, the dollar is going down. When the dollar is going down, the euro dollar is having a bullish pressure. Makes sense, right? So, and of course the bond going up causes the yield to go down, right? So if that's true, let's have a look at this chart. Let's compare the 10-year bond with the euro. Ta-da! Let me zoom in a little bit so we can, or let's go to the hourly chart so we can see the pattern better. So here and here. So here and here, right? So it's exactly the same impulse, looking for exactly the same validation. With the bond, we are going to be able to confirm if this is correct, and maybe we can have an advantage, because if we have a faster signal during wave 2 to go long on the bond, we can accelerate the entry on the euro, for example, if we have that sort of divergence. And at the same time, the dollar is going down, right? So we're seeing the impulse. So exactly the same thing. We're seeing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence for wave 1. And here expecting the 3-wave sequence for 2, and then the move down. So let's see which one of these 3 is going to show the first signal. Is going to be the dollar showing a sell trade? Is going to be the bond showing a buy trade? Or is going to be the euro showing the buy trade? Let's see which one is going to lead, because usually we have one leading the others, and that could be an advantage because we can validate faster the trade. Let's have a look at the S&P. The S&P did a sell-off last Friday. We have a big sell-off. The price eventually stops falling, reverse, and here we're seeing the discount. I think is a good setup from this area to go long and target the previous highs. I'm looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes the S&P makes a deeper corrective before going up, but most of the times with a tiny corrective, like the one that we are seeing here, is more than enough. So we can have price rejecting the lows here. So that's the setup. And that could be enough for the S&P to start climbing this week and moving back to the highs after this beautiful discount. Of course, if we don't have bad news from the new COVID variant, that of course if the science demonstrates that, let's say, the vaccines are not effective, or something worse, of course the market is going down. So that's why we always need to hedge. We need to use an option, or we need to use a stop loss, right? Because the risk is there. But we have a high probability on the S&P to continue climbing, and this was a fantastic discount that, as we can see, the big guys were taking advantage of and were buying aggressively at the lows, absorbing all the sellers and moving the price higher above the 600 area. All right, traders, that's the plan for this week. If you want to start your membership, visit elliottwavestreet.com/membership. You're going to get a first month trial, and you will get the analysis, the complete analysis in all the markets that we cover, with charts, with videos, and more. So visit us now and start your Elliott Wave membership. Please have a fantastic start of your week. I'll see you inside the membership. Take care. Bye-bye.